How to set up lift door selection in floor group. To configure lift door selection, select Access Control and click Lift Door Selection. Click in controller name and click N to insert into lift door grouping. Click Save and click OK to save the setting. Click Access Control and click Floor Group. Click Add to create a floor group name. Enable Desire Floor based on I/O box wiring to lift button. Click Save and Yes to save the configuration. Click Add again to create other floor group name. Click Save and Yes to save the configuration.